AI at work. Right now I'm using an AI called Slides Orator, and it can add an orator to your slide presentation. I've uploaded a slideshow in PDF format. I've created an avatar of the orator. You'll notice the face looks like me, but I now have some hair. Isn't that nice? Well, let me show you what this thing does.
It's not just about naivety. Scammers are masters of human psychology. They use urgent language and emotional appeals to bypass our rational thought. The promise of a good deal often overrides our skepticism. Social proof and authority figures lend legitimacy. And, crucially, scams prey on our vulnerabilities and desires. Let's explore how they do it.
You heard slide number 1. You'll also notice there's a dialogue. I can actually interact with that orator. So let me type in a question. What's this all about? And now the orator will respond.
This presentation is about scams will protect yourself from them. It explains the psychological tactics scammers use to manipulate victims and offers practical advice on how to identify and avoid scams.
This is currently still in beta. I'll leave a link to the AI. Why not give it a try? You might just find it helpful. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helps. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.